Hola, ¿cómo está? I changed my mascot again, and Henry got an upgrade. He got new hair. But yeah, I'll be posting a music video later. I just randomly thought it would be nice to have a new mascot again. But yeah, let me just do my intro now. Hi, my little weeds. It's Henry, and welcome back to LPS Deadfields. In today's video, we're going to be doing LPS Try Fidget Spinners. So it's me, Henry, and I don't have to talk like a girl anymore, but got new hair. It's very stylish. Anyways, apparently SB told me I had to try Fidget Spinner. SB is my owner, if you didn't know. And a fidget spinner, I know what that is. At the same time, I'm so lost and confused. So can someone bring in the fidget spinner, please? SB told me to say this. The fidget spinner will arrive in 3, 2, 1. So apparently this is a fidget spinner. Let's get started. What? This hurts. No. 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 No, 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 no. Spins. Should I try to get... Nope, I don't think that will work. Okay. Hand, please. Yeah, sure. You owe me, brother. Oh. Okay, random hand. No. So what sucks about being a great date. First off, I don't have a blue magnet. I do have a magnet, but it's a different type. And second off, what even is going on? No, 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 no. I won't allow this. This is cruelty. I think we have to stop this cruelty about now. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Even comment your opinion down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want more LPS plus fidget spinner videos, just comment that, okay? So I'm sorry if you hear a lot of random voices in the background. I'll try to tune that out. Okay, bye.